Greetings. We are excited to introduce our online e-courses, designed to teach entrepreneurial skills to handcraft women as part of the KA 220 Project UGO. We are a team of 5 organizations, including Ageria Desarrollo Social, Impact Circles, Aquilia, Effectus Group, and MB International, working towards empowering women in the craft industry. This e-course is a part of Module 1, where we focus on transversal skills related to entrepreneurship. Specifically, we delve into entrepreneurship skills. In this course, we cover the essential concepts and practical tools necessary to launch a successful digital business. Thank you for joining us in this exciting journey. Topic 1: Creativity and Ideation. Creativity and ideation in entrepreneurial skills are crucial components of successful entrepreneurship. According to the Global Entrepreneurship Monitor 2019-2020 report, creativity is one of the most important skills for entrepreneurs. The report states that entrepreneurship is driven by the ability to generate innovative ideas, creatively solve problems, and identify new opportunities. Creativity involves the generation of new ideas, and ideation is the process of developing those ideas into workable business opportunities. It is important for entrepreneurs to be able to think creatively and generate new ideas that have the potential to solve a problem, meet a need, or create value for customers. Research has shown that creativity and ideation can be learned and developed through education and training. In their study on the impact of creativity training on entrepreneurial success, Mumford, Hester, and Robledo found that creativity training can improve an individual's ability to generate new ideas and develop them into successful business ventures. Additionally, in their research on the role of creativity in entrepreneurship, Csikszentmihalyi and Hunter found that entrepreneurs who have a creative mindset are more likely to identify and pursue opportunities that others have overlooked. They also noted that creativity can help entrepreneurs to adapt to changing circumstances and develop innovative solutions to problems. Overall, creativity and ideation are critical skills for entrepreneurs to possess in order to generate innovative and successful business opportunities. With education and training, individuals can develop and enhance these skills, improving their chances of success as entrepreneurs. Topic 1.1: Introduction to Creativity and Ideation. In the context of entrepreneurship, creativity and ideation are critical skills that allow entrepreneurs to identify and pursue new business opportunities, create innovative products and services, and solve complex problems. Without these skills, entrepreneurs may struggle to develop new and innovative solutions to the challenges they face in their businesses. Entrepreneurs who possess strong creativity and ideation skills are able to approach business challenges with a fresh perspective, and they are often more successful at developing solutions that meet the needs of their customers and clients. These skills can also help entrepreneurs to adapt to changing circumstances and stay ahead of their competitors in a rapidly evolving business environment. Creativity and ideation are key components of successful entrepreneurship, and they can be developed and refined through education, training, and practice. By fostering these skills, entrepreneurs can improve their ability to innovate, create value, and achieve long-term success in their businesses. Creativity and ideation are particularly important for women in the craft sector, as it is a field that has historically been dominated by men. Women who possess strong creativity and ideation skills are able to bring fresh perspectives and innovative ideas to the field, helping to challenge traditional gender roles and stereotypes. In addition to being a means of challenging gender norms, creativity and ideation skills can also provide women in the craft sector with greater economic opportunities. By developing unique and innovative products, women can stand out in a crowded marketplace and increase their earning potential. Furthermore, creativity and ideation skills can help women in the craft sector to address social and environmental challenges. By developing products that are sustainable, ethical, and socially responsible, women can make a positive impact on their communities and contribute to a more just and equitable society. Design thinking, divergent thinking, and problem solving are all important tools that can help women in the craft sector generate new ideas, solve problems, and create innovative products. Design thinking is a human-centered approach to problem solving that focuses on empathy, ideation, and prototyping. It involves understanding the needs of the customer or user, generating multiple ideas, and rapidly prototyping and testing solutions. Design thinking can be particularly useful for women in the craft sector who want to create products that are both beautiful and functional. Divergent thinking is a type of creative thinking that involves generating multiple ideas and exploring different possibilities. It is often used in brainstorming sessions to generate a wide range of ideas before selecting the most promising ones. Divergent thinking can help women in the craft sector come up with new and innovative product ideas that stand out in a crowded market. Problem solving is the process of identifying and resolving problems or challenges. In the craft sector, women entrepreneurs may encounter a range of challenges, such as sourcing materials, marketing their products, or managing their finances. Effective problem-solving skills can help them overcome these challenges and find solutions that enable them to succeed. Topic 1.2 Creativity Techniques. Creativity techniques are methods used to stimulate the generation of new and innovative ideas. These techniques can be applied in various fields, including entrepreneurship, to help individuals come up with new and creative solutions to business problems. Some common creativity techniques include brainstorming, mind mapping, and visual thinking. Brainstorming is a technique that involves generating a large number of ideas in a short amount of time without criticism or judgment. Mind mapping is a visual technique that involves creating a diagram to connect different ideas and concepts. Visual thinking involves using images, symbols, and diagrams to represent ideas and concepts. Analogies and metaphors are creative thinking tools that involve using comparisons to connect ideas and concepts. These techniques can help entrepreneurs to see problems and solutions in a new, innovative way. Common creativity techniques in the handcraft sector include mind mapping, a visual technique that involves creating a diagram to connect different ideas and concepts related to a product design. Brainstorming, a technique that involves generating a large number of ideas in a short amount of time without criticism or judgment. Scamper, a technique that involves applying different thinking strategies to existing ideas, such as substituting, combining, adapting, or modifying. Analogies, a creative thinking tool that involves using comparisons to connect ideas and concepts, such as comparing a handmade product to a natural form or a cultural artifact. Prototyping, a technique that involves creating a model or a sample of a product designed to test and refine it before final production. Topic 1.3 Idea Development. Idea development in handcraft sector involves the process of transforming creative and innovative ideas into practical and successful business opportunities. This process involves refining and evaluating ideas, identifying target markets, assessing feasibility, developing prototypes, and conducting market research. Idea development is a crucial aspect of entrepreneurship, as it allows craft entrepreneurs to turn their creative and innovative ideas into profitable ventures. In the handcraft sector, idea development may involve developing unique and innovative designs, experimenting with new materials or techniques, and exploring different ways to incorporate traditional craftsmanship into modern products. Idea development also involves assessing the market demand for specific products, identifying customer needs and preferences, and creating products that are both aesthetically appealing and commercially viable. Successful idea development in the handcraft sector requires a combination of creativity, innovation, market research, and business acumen. Entrepreneurs in this sector must be able to identify emerging trends, anticipate changes in consumer preferences, and adapt their products and business models accordingly. This module focuses on the critical process of selecting and developing a business idea. It provides learners with the necessary tools and techniques to evaluate and refine their ideas and identify those with the greatest potential for success. 1. Evaluating and selecting ideas. Introduction to idea evaluation and selection. Criteria for evaluating and selecting ideas. Methods for generating and capturing ideas. Techniques for evaluating and prioritizing ideas. Selecting the best ideas for further development. 2. Developing and refining a business idea. Understanding the importance of a clear value proposition. Techniques for refining and shaping an idea. Creating a business plan and identifying key elements. Testing and validating an idea through prototyping and experimentation. Developing a minimum viable product, MVP. 3. Market research and customer feedback. Understanding the importance of market research and customer feedback. Techniques for conducting market research and gathering customer feedback. Analyzing and interpreting data to make informed decisions. Using customer feedback to refine and improve products and services. Identifying market trends and opportunities for growth. Topic 1.4 Turning ideas into action. Once you have developed and refined your business idea, It's time to turn it into action. This module will guide you through the process of identifying the resources you need to start your business, creating a business plan and setting goals, and implementing and testing your new business idea. 1. Identifying the resources needed to start a business. Before you can turn your business idea into action, you need to identify the resources you need to make it a reality. This can include everything from physical resources like materials and equipment to financial resources like startup capital and funding. 2. Creating a business plan and setting goals. Once you have identified the resources you need, it's important to create a business plan and set goals for your new venture. A business plan is a written document that outlines your business goals, strategies, and potential challenges. It can help you secure funding and keep you on track as you start and grow your business. In addition to creating a business plan, it's important to set goals for your business. Goals can help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards building a successful venture. Your goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. 3. Techniques for implementing and testing a new business idea. Implementing and testing your new business idea can be a challenging and exciting process. It's important to have a plan in place to test your products or services, gather customer feedback, and make adjustments as needed. Topic 1.5 Entrepreneurial Mindset. An entrepreneurial mindset is an essential attribute for any entrepreneur. It refers to a set of attitudes, behaviors, and values that allow individuals to identify and pursue entrepreneurial opportunities. In the handcraft sector, an entrepreneurial mindset can help artisans turn their creativity and passion into a successful business. Having an entrepreneurial mindset means having the ability to identify new opportunities, think creatively, take calculated risks, and be resilient in the face of challenges. It also involves having a deep understanding of the market and the target audience and being able to adapt to changing circumstances. In the handcraft sector, artisans can develop an entrepreneurial mindset by constantly seeking out new ideas and inspiration, being open to feedback and criticism, and taking the initiative to learn new skills and techniques. They can also benefit from networking with other artisans and entrepreneurs, attending industry events and workshops, and staying up to date on trends and best practices in the sector. Developing an entrepreneurial mindset takes time and effort, but it is a critical component of building a successful handcraft business. By cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset, artisans can turn their passion and creativity into a sustainable and profitable venture. Topic 2 Business Model Innovation. Business model innovation in entrepreneurial skills and handcraft sector involves creating new and unique ways of delivering value to customers, while also ensuring profitability and sustainability of the business. In the context of the handcraft sector, this could involve identifying innovative ways of sourcing raw materials, optimizing the production process, creating new and unique product lines, and finding creative ways to market and sell products to customers. The focus of this module would be on introducing students to the concept of business model innovation and the tools and techniques that can be used to create innovative business models. The module could cover topics such as understanding the importance of business model innovation in the handcraft sector, introduction to different types of business models and their pros and cons, tools and techniques for business model innovation, such as design thinking and lean startup methodology, identifying key value drivers for handcraft businesses and developing innovative solutions to address them, developing and testing new business models through experimentation and iteration. Business Model Innovation (BMI) is the process of developing a new or unique business model to create value for customers and capture value for the business itself. In the handcraft sector, BMI can involve rethinking traditional models and exploring new ways to reach customers and generate revenue. Here are some steps for implementing BMI in the handcraft sector. Identify the current business model. The first step in BMI is to analyze the current business model and identify its strengths and weaknesses. This will help to identify areas that need improvement or innovation. Identify customer needs. In order to develop a new business model, it is important to understand the needs and preferences of the target customers. This can involve conducting market research, surveys, or focus groups to gather information. Generate new ideas. Once customer needs have been identified, brainstorming sessions can be conducted to generate new ideas for business models. This can involve exploring different revenue streams, distribution channels, and marketing strategies. Evaluate and select the best ideas. After generating a list of potential ideas, it is important to evaluate each one and select the best option. This can involve analyzing the feasibility of each idea, considering the potential impact on revenue and profitability, and assessing the level of risk. Develop a prototype. Once a business model has been selected, it is important to develop a prototype or minimum viable product, MVP, to test it out. This can involve creating a small-scale version of the new business model and testing it with a small group of customers. Test and refine. After testing the prototype, it is important to gather feedback from customers and make any necessary refinements to the business model. This can involve making changes to the product, pricing, distribution channels, or marketing strategy. Implement. Once the new business model has been refined and tested, it can be implemented on a larger scale. This can involve launching a new product or service, expanding into new markets, or adopting new distribution channels. Topic 3: Marketing and branding. Marketing and branding are important components of entrepreneurial skills that help individuals promote their products or services, differentiate themselves from competitors, and create a strong brand image. These skills are essential for success in the business world and can help entrepreneurs to reach their target audience and achieve their goals. Marketing involves identifying and understanding customer needs and wants, creating products or services that meet those needs, and promoting those products or services to target customers through various channels, including social media, email marketing, advertising, and public relations. Effective marketing strategies can help entrepreneurs to attract new customers, retain existing ones, and increase revenue. Branding, on the other hand, involves creating a unique identity for a business or product that sets it apart from competitors. This can include creating a memorable logo, developing a consistent visual style, and communicating a clear message about what the brand represents. A strong brand can help entrepreneurs to build trust with their customers and establish a loyal following. Marketing and branding are crucial aspects of entrepreneurship that are especially important for women in the handcraft sector. Women entrepreneurs in this field often face unique challenges related to market access, pricing, and branding, which can limit their success. Effective marketing strategies for handcrafted products may involve leveraging social media, e-commerce platforms, and local markets. Branding strategies may include creating a unique brand identity, such as a signature style or product line, that resonates with customers and sets the business apart from competitors. In addition, building a strong network and relationships with customers can be an important part of marketing and branding for women entrepreneurs in the handcraft sector. This may involve participating in local events, collaborating with other businesses and artisans, and engaging with customers through feedback and social media. Topic 4: Sales and customer service. Sales and customer service are important skills for any entrepreneur to have, regardless of the industry they are in. In the handcraft sector, where products are often unique and personalized, building strong relationships with customers and providing excellent service can be critical to success. Sales skills involve understanding customer needs, communicating the benefits of your product or service, negotiating prices and terms, and closing deals. Customer service skills involve listening to and addressing customer concerns, providing after-sales support, and managing customer relationships to encourage repeat business and positive referrals. On sales and customer service and entrepreneurial skills, learners will expect to develop the following competencies: understanding customer needs and preferences, effective communication and negotiation techniques, building and maintaining customer relationships, managing customer feedback and complaints, developing after-sales support strategies. Through practical examples and interactive activities, e-courses can help learners develop the skills and confidence needed to succeed in sales and customer service in the handcraft sector. Sales and customer service are critical components of any entrepreneurial venture, including those in the handcraft sector. As women entrepreneurs in this sector, it's important to understand how to effectively market and sell your products, as well as provide top-notch customer service to ensure customer satisfaction and loyalty. Sales and customer service in the handcraft sector for women entrepreneurs include understanding your target market. It's important to know who your potential customers are, what they are looking for, and how to reach them through targeted marketing efforts. Creating a strong brand identity. A strong brand identity can help differentiate your products from competitors and create a memorable impression on customers. Developing effective sales strategies. This includes determining the right pricing strategy, understanding the sales cycle, and identifying the best channels for reaching customers. Providing excellent customer service. Customer service is crucial for building customer loyalty and positive word-of-mouth marketing. This includes everything from responding promptly to customer inquiries to handling any issues or complaints in a professional and timely manner. Building relationships with customers. Building relationships with customers through personalized service, follow-up communication, and special promotions can help build brand loyalty and increase repeat business. Topic 5: Financial management. Entrepreneurship involves financial risks and opportunities. To succeed as an entrepreneur, you must have a solid understanding of financial management. In this module, we will explore the fundamentals of financial management, including budgeting, accounting, financial statements, and funding sources. Financial management is a crucial aspect of entrepreneurship, as managing financial resources effectively can be the difference between success and failure in a business venture. Financial management skills are essential for entrepreneurs to effectively manage their finances and make informed decisions about their business. These skills include budgeting. Creating a budget is an important part of financial management. It involves estimating the income and expenses of a business over a specific period of time, such as a month or year, and allocating resources accordingly. Accounting. Entrepreneurs need to understand basic accounting principles to keep track of their finances, including recording transactions, preparing financial statements, and analyzing financial data. Cash flow management. Managing cash flow is critical for small businesses, as it ensures that there is enough money available to cover expenses and invest in growth opportunities. Financial forecasting. Financial forecasting involves predicting future revenue and expenses based on historical data and market trends. This helps entrepreneurs make informed decisions about investments and business operations. Financial analysis. Analyzing financial data helps entrepreneurs identify areas of strength and weakness in their business and make strategic decisions to improve performance. Topic 6: Leadership and team management. Leadership and team management skills are essential in entrepreneurship as they help to create a cohesive and motivated team that can work together to achieve business goals. In the handcraft sector, leadership and team management skills are crucial for ensuring the success of a business. Key skills required for effective leadership and team management in entrepreneurship include communication. Effective communication is essential for building a strong team and achieving business objectives. Entrepreneurs should be able to communicate their vision, goals, and expectations clearly to their team, as well as listen to feedback and suggestions. Delegation. Entrepreneurs should be able to delegate tasks and responsibilities effectively, ensuring that each team member has a clear understanding of their role and the expectations that come with it. Conflict resolution. Conflict is inevitable in any team, and it is the leader's responsibility to address and resolve conflicts before they escalate. Entrepreneurs should be able to mediate disagreements and find solutions that are mutually beneficial. Motivation. A motivated team is more productive and engaged, which can contribute to the success of the business. Entrepreneurs should be able to inspire and motivate their team, recognizing and rewarding their efforts and successes. Decision-making. Entrepreneurs must make decisions quickly and effectively, often under pressure. They should be able to analyze information, identify potential risks, and make informed decisions that benefit the business. In summary, leadership and team management skills are essential in entrepreneurship, particularly in the handcraft sector. Effective communication, delegation, conflict resolution, motivation, and decision-making are key skills that entrepreneurs need to master to create a successful business. Topic 7: Networking and collaboration. Some key skills related to networking and collaboration in entrepreneurship include communication skills. Entrepreneurs need to be able to communicate effectively with a wide range of stakeholders, including potential collaborators, customers, investors, and employees. Relationship building. Building and maintaining strong relationships with key stakeholders is essential for entrepreneurs to succeed. This involves developing trust, showing interest in others, and being responsive to their needs. Networking. Networking involves building relationships with a wide range of people who can provide access to resources, information, and opportunities that can help entrepreneurs succeed. Collaboration. Collaboration involves working effectively with others to achieve shared goals. This involves developing trust, being flexible, and communicating effectively. Conflict resolution. Conflict is inevitable in any collaborative relationship, and entrepreneurs need to be able to manage conflicts effectively to ensure that partnerships are productive and sustainable. Strategic thinking. Networking and collaboration skills require strategic thinking to identify potential partners, evaluate opportunities, and develop effective partnerships that can benefit both parties. Thank you for watching our e-course on the topic of entrepreneurial skills. We appreciate your interest in expanding your knowledge in this area. If you are eager to dive deeper into this subject, we invite you to explore our additional resources.